Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here is why false fire alarms can be deadly. Because if there is too many false alarms, people are going to ignore the fire alarm and assume it's another false alarm. But one of these days, the building can catch on fire and everyone will die because they didn't believe that the alarm was real. This is just like the boy who cried wolf. People are going to get hurt if they don't take the real alarm seriously. False alarms are absolutely not a joke, because they waste fire department's time and they annoy people. But the most dangerous thing about them is that people are going to ignore the alarm going off and assume nothing is wrong, but there could actually be a fire and you are in serious trouble. If you ignore the real alarm. Anytime the fire alarm goes off, you must always treat it like it's real. Unless they say, "This is a test. Please disregard all signals." But other than that, treat every alarm like a real emergency. The causes of false alarms in a building is people pulling the fire alarm for fun and shower steam or cooking smoke getting into smoke detectors, setting the alarm off. And it's a faulty system. Sometimes severe weather can hit the alarm wires and set the alarm off. So there's a lot of things you need to do. Put stopper covers over pull stations. Those stoppers with a built-in alarm can help reduce a lot of the false fire alarms that occur in a lot of buildings. Locate smoke detectors away from heat sources and areas of high humidity. Make sure that you protect alarm wires from rain or severe weather, so severe weather doesn't trip the alarm system. Make sure that you fix a faulty alarm system. You fix all of the troubles in the building. So we can reduce or prevent false alarms, so people will take the real alarm seriously. And it's going to save their life. but with all of these false alarms, it is going to be deadly. This has got to stop. Bye.